Just search for GitHub, sign up. Let's enter the email ID, password, assign a username. I just gave a random name and it actually shows you if this username is available. Continue. So you need to verify yourself. So this verification, you just need to align the direction of this to the hand. One more time. That's it. Submit. OTP. So this is my OTP. Paste it here. Continue. Once you're here, your username and the password, and sign in. That's it. Easy to create an account. You can open your profile and this is where your contributions are seen. You can edit your profile, add your name, short bio, your LinkedIn link and your email ID. Add your display picture here. Put all these here and just click save. That easy to create an account. Next video is really interesting. Creating your first repository and how to add data into that repository. So it's going to be a little technical from the next video, but it's going to be fun. I'll make it look very easy and very simple.